Welcome to this quick guide on exploring key tools for creating custom AI chatbots and web applications. Let's take a look at Hugging Face Spaces. This platform allows developers and creators to host open source AI models, web interfaces, and interactive demo widgets completely for free. We scroll through the trending apps. You can explore hundreds of ready-to-use AI projects ranging from voice synthesis and image generators to multimodal vision models. We move over to Google Colab. Colab is a free, cloud-based notebook environment that lets you write and run Python code directly from your web browser. It gives you access to powerful hardware like GPUs, making it perfect for running backend scripts, fine-tuning machine learning models, or testing code for your custom chatbot logic. This landing page, you can browse sample notebooks, learn how to build interactive forms, or integrate Colab with external editors like VS Code and PyCharm. By leveraging Hugging Face for hosted AI models and Google Colab for rapid cloud execution, you have everything you need to experiment and embed smart AI widgets onto any website without complex server configurations.
找一找。